Hey everyone, JT here. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about setting financial goals. Now, you might be thinking, goals? I'm a business owner. I'm just trying to keep the lights on. But trust me, setting clear financial goals is like having a roadmap to success. It helps you stay focused, motivated, and on track to reach your destination. Okay? Think of like this. You're driving to the new city where they've never been before. Okay, you type the destination into your GPS and shows the route and that estimated time of arrival, the ETA. Now, do you worry about every single turn, every stoplight, every speed bump along the ways? Nope. You focus on the destination, knowing that the GPS will guide you to get there. That's exactly how you should approach your financial goals. Don't get bogged down in the minutiae of every penny. Instead, focus on the big picture. What do you want to achieve financially? Maybe you want to buy a new house, pay off your student loans, or retire early. Whatever your goals are, write them down and put a timeline on them. Just like when you see that ETA in your GPS, it gives you a target to aim for. Now, and here's the thing about timelines. We all have a little bit of competitive streak in us. When you see that ETA, the first thing that comes to mind is, I can beat that time. I can get there 30 minutes faster. Watch me. Okay? Use that to your advantage. Set ambitious but realistic timelines for your financial goals. This will challenge you to stay on track and make those goals a reality. Okay, here are a few tips for setting financial goals. First, be specific. Don't just say, I want to save more money. Instead, say, I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house within the next 2 years. Make it measurable. How will you know if you're making progress towards your goals? Set clear metrics to track your progress, like save $500 per month or reduce my spending by 10%. Set a realistic timeline. Don't set yourself up for failure by setting unrealistic timelines. Be honest about it and about your financial situation and set a timeline that is challenging but achievable. Okay, and then break it down. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, more manageable milestones. This will make the journey less daunting and help you celebrate your progress along the way. Fifth, review and adjust. Your goals are not set in stone. Life happens and your circumstances might change. Review your goals regularly and adjust them as needed to stay on track. Remember, setting financial goals is not just about numbers. It's about creating the future you want for yourself and for your family. So focus on your destination, set those timelines, and get ready to achieve your financial dreams.